SJC Chronicle. I'm Ross Juju. Now let's move on to the news. The Directorate of Minority Welfare under Government of Kerala had selected St. Joseph's College in Yalakoda as a premarital counselling program centre in the year 2021-22. It was inaugurated on 15th October 2021 by Dr. Moideen Kuti AB, Directorate of Minority Welfare, Trivandrum.
Premarital counseling is a specialized type of therapy aimed at girls above 18 years of age. It is provided by a marriage and family therapist and is believed to benefit all who are considering a long-term commitment such as marriage. It can be helpful to persons of any gender, race, or religion to identify and address potential areas of conflict in the relationship. The classes are organized from 16th November to 1st December 2021 through 5 batches, each consisting of minimum 50 women are given classes according to the allotment from Directorate.
The final year students of St. Joseph's College were given a program on the topic Campus Placement and Global Career Opportunities on November 25th. The class was given by Mr. Praveen Cherian and Mr. Soni Akkara.
Final year students of the college was given a program on the topic Campus Placement and Global Career Opportunities on November 25th noon. It was in college auditorium under the collaboration of EasyLink Academy. Mr. Praveen Cherian, resource person, Mr. Soni Akkara gave a career building class. It was to evoke opportunities and awareness of higher studies in students. A class was also conducted on November 29, 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. as an orientation class. First session was about communicative English and soft skill. Second session discussed how to face an interview successfully. Feedback of about 250 children were received.
I'm standing in front of St. Joseph College auditorium. Here, a seminar is being conducted by Soni Akkara and Praveen Cherian based on the topic Global Career Opportunities and Campus Placement. Let's ask the students to know their feedback. How was the session? How do you feel about it?
Today's session was mainly based on the global education as well as the placement options, and it was a session from morning 9 o'clock to 3:30, and actually it was really good session. We talked about, in the morning session we talked about all about CV, resume, as well as the cover letters and what are things we need to take care of before we go into interview, what we do in interview and so on. And then
Was the session should be helpful in your
it was
future?
very fruitful actually. He gave many tips, interview tips when you're going for placements, how to behave, how to dress, and what are the things to be taken care of. And I think if one is ready to work on themselves, then tips given by him combined with that, one can easily get placed.
Thank you. So, what's your opinion about this class?
It's really a wonderful experience, and it's such an honor for me to take it, such a wonderful chance to take this class. And I'm thinking this college is going to make a lot of history because very passionate students are here, and they are very keenly observing our classes, and such a wonderful audience and beautiful hospitality from the management side, and very cooperative teachers. And literally I would say you guys are very lucky students.
Thank you, sir. How do you feel? Was it interactive one?
Yeah, it was a very interactive session, and students were, I didn't expect this much because when I was coming here, I thought I got a mindset like that because it was like a women's college, so students won't cooperate that much. But it's beyond my expectation, and everybody was very much interested and very much talkative and very much communicative. So I'm so happy with this.
Thank you, sir. This is me, Ruxana, along with camera person Halo Hiner, signing off.
Under the leadership of the college, a class was conducted by AICSKV Chief Executive Officer Dr. Shiva Kiran MS on the topic of micro-entrepreneurship and women enterprises.
The program was conducted as 2 sessions. The first session discussed how women's different economic backgrounds developed their own business through their local resources. The second part discussed how government provided resources help women to be independent and begin new businesses. A woman enterpriser should be creative, risk taker, and should be contributing something to the well-being of the society, said Dr. Shivakiran.
A 10-day workshop series as FOSAS was conducted by the Mass Communication and Journalism Department. It was presented by various eminent personalities from the media field. It commenced on 12th November and concluded on 25th November.
Principal Dr. Sister Asha Teres inaugurated the workshop. Self-financing coordinator Dr. Sister Rose Bastin did the presidential address. The 10-day online workshop was a great exposure to journalism students towards media field. Various media personalities like Navanidam MR, production assistant ZS Studios, Adira G, associate producer Amrita TV, research scholar Father Sheen Tangalayam, Shahla Kunyu Muhammad, sub-editor Malayalam Manorama, Litty Simon, assistant producer Manorama Online, visual media journalist Karthika Umagandan, K. Girish, sub-editor Deshabhimani, Amal Tenamparambil, anchor Mathrubhumi News, PM Jibindas, bureau chief Kerala Kaumudi, Gogul Ravi, sub-editor 24 News.
An industrial visit was conducted by the Costume and Fashion Designing Department at Thrissur Wovens, Ashtamichira on 19/11/2021.
The Thrissur Woven specializes in undergarments. Students could visit all the departments and learn the processes in detail. The cutting master uses semi-automatic cutting machineries which are more faster and accurate. The industry follows the line production system in which the sewing operators sit in the line format for the construction, which results better production. The buyers list of the industry includes V-Star and Kitex. The industrial visit conducted was interesting as well as informative for the students.
The NCC enrollment for the 2021-24 batch took place on November 19th. The selection procedure included a personal interview with a panel of officers from the battalion and the ANO of the college, a test of their physical fitness and tryouts. A total of 55 students were present for the enrollment procedures, out of which 21 were selected.
The potential cadets were selected through personal interview conducted by officers from the battalion and the associate NCC officer of the college. A physical fitness test and few tryouts are done to ensure that the students upheld certain prerequisites as required by regulations followed in the NCC. A total of 55 students were present for the enrollment procedures, out of which 21 were selected. Second year and third year NCC cadets led the program that day. The procedures were conducted under the supervision of officers from 7 Kerala Girl Battalion, NCC and ANO of St. Joseph College.
The NSS unit of St. Joseph's College and Nehru Yuva Kendra celebrated Republic Day and conducted a declamation contest on the topic Patriotism and Nation Building. It was inaugurated by Principal Dr. Sister Asha Teres.
NSS unit of St. Joseph's College and Nehru Yuva Kendra celebrated Republic Day and conducted declamation contest on the topic Patriotism and Nation Building. Principal Dr. C. Asha Teres inaugurated the program. NSS Program Officer Dr. Sini Verghese did felicitation speech. NYK volunteer Anju M.A. did vote of thanks.
Sim Club activities for the year 2021-22 of the Postgraduate and Research Department of Mathematics was inaugurated by Miss Lily T.I., retired Associate Professor from the Department of Mathematics on 30/11/21. Toppers of the academic year 2020 and 21 were awarded in the function.
The manuscript is released by Principal Dr. Sister Asha Teres in the program. Dr. N. Annamalai from Central University of Tamil Nadu delivered a virtual talk on the topic from ring theory. Head of the department, Ms. Sherin Jose T. welcomed the gathering. Dr. Fiji Jose P. presented the report of association activities of the year 2020-21 and Dr. Sister Clary proposed vote of thanks. A game corner, Squid Games, was arranged by BVOC Mathematics and Artificial Intelligence students to celebrate the day.
A program run for fun was conducted by the NCC cadets as part of the 73rd NCC Day to spread awareness among the youth. The program was conducted on 26/11/2021.
The aim of the program was to spread awareness among the youth to remain healthy and fit. College Principal Dr. Sister Asha Teres did the flag off and inaugurated the program. NCC cadets ran 1 kilometer holding awareness placards through Chandakunnu Junction and returned back to college. Through this fun run, the cadets aimed at giving awareness on health of the youth.
In connection with Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the students of the Social Work Department conducted a street play on waste management. It was honored by Municipal Chairperson Srimati Sonia Giri.
In connection with Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the students of social work, St. Joseph's College, Irinjalkuda was conducted a street play on waste management at Irinjalkuda bus stand on 2nd October 2021. As part of Gandhi Jayanti celebration, the students also conducted awareness on Haritha Karma Sena and their contribution to society in Irinjalkuda municipality. It was honored by Municipal Chairperson Srimati Sonia Giri and delivered her thanks to all students and the Department of Social Work, St. Joseph's College.
A seminar was organized by the Women's Cell of St. Joseph's College on Monday. The veteran academician Dr. Mary Matilda delivered the keynote address at the seminar. Dr. Sister Asha Teres, the principal, launched the 3 clubs of the Women's Cell.
Dr. Sister Asha Teres, the principal, presided over the function and launched the 3 clubs of the Women's Cell, Rasika, Manishi and Arpita, which would offer opportunities in academic development, cultural performances and community connect respectively. Women need to analyze their potential and strive for maximum empowerment in political, personal and professional spaces, said resource person Dr. Mary Matilda in a seminar organized by Women's Cell of St. Joseph's College on Monday. The veteran academician and mind power trainer delivered the keynote address at the seminar, which was attended by the members and office bearers of the Women's Cell. Gender equality needs to be made a fundamental right, states Dr. Mary Matilda.
That's all for today's news. Thank you. See you next time.